Hello friends! So today I'm going to a concert. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a country concert. I'm going with my friend and my cousin, so it should be a lot of fun. So I thought I would do a get ready with me, and I'll show you like my makeup, I'll show you what I'm wearing. It'll just be a fun chit chat get ready with me, so you can see how I get ready for concerts and that type of thing. Honestly, I love going to country concerts. It's one of my favorite things to do, and it's about the only time I will put an effort in. So enjoy and we'll have some fun. The foundation that I'm going to use today, I'm going to mix it. I like mixing, I don't know why. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation in the color Soft Beige 200. So I'm going to mix that. This is like my summer foundation, so it is pretty dark, but I have oily skin and this is like so matte. So I usually like to mix it with a not as matte foundation just to bring that down a few notches. So this is the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in the color 220. I don't know if it has a name. Soft Honey, 220 Soft Honey. So I'm gonna mix that. I really like this foundation. This is more of a medium to full coverage, and this is lighter coverage, but it is buildable. So depending on what your needs are and what you want it for, it's a really pretty foundation. It has a nice finish to it. My sister says that you should do it around the face. Honestly, she's the makeup guru, so I'm probably gonna have her come and do a tutorial for you guys because she always looks fabulous. I'm like the ugly stepsister, but I'm not her stepsister. And brighten it up a little bit. I'm not too crazy on concealer. I do like to help with like the tiredness look, but overall brightening, I feel like my face already looks like a light bulb because I'm so pale. Real Techniques like finishing powder, concealer, baking stick, and just put that in here. Oh, this is the NYX Finishing Powder HD. It does have flashback. I didn't even know what flashback was until I wore this stuff and then took a picture with a flash. It was scary. Next, I'm gonna use this Bahama Mama bronzer. I really like it. It is not too dark, and it's also matte. So if you like matte bronzers, give this one a try. Because I have like a little bump here, I was always so self-conscious about my nose, but now I just own it, own what the good Lord gave you. Just work with what you got. You are beautiful inside and out, and you don't have to be embarrassed or ashamed. We all have things that we wish we could change or maybe look different about ourselves. So that's the one thing, you just have to learn how to be confident in yourself. That's my little lesson for the day. Love me some bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with this Milani Baked bronzer. This is more shimmery. It's very pretty. This is in the color 04 Glow Baked Bronzer. Today, I'm gonna go in with, this broke, I dropped it and I broke it, but it's called Aura by Lorac. so this is one of my favorites. It's the Wet n Wild shimmer palette in the color, really, where you pull off the tape is what color it is. If I can find it, I will link it down below. It is so pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. Like, come on. Okay, this is not working out. Come on, y'all. This is cheap. Oh, it's just so pretty. Okay, I'm so pale, you can't even see it. I'm telling you, it's pretty. Okay, girl, you see that highlight though? Glowing, glowing. I'm also gonna use this Tarte highlighter in Stunner. So I'm gonna put that on. This is like, girl, if you could see this highlight though, I probably shouldn't put any more on, but girl, we going out tonight. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This stuff works so good. So next I'm gonna take this Milani Baked Elements, I think it's Earthy Elements palette. This is like my favorite palette. It is beautiful. If you have lighter skin, tan skin, blonde hair, dark hair, it's just beautiful. I'm going to use, okay, I'm gonna take this shade right here and just put it all over the lid. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. We're gonna mix this brown and this pretty purple and just put that on the outer edge. And then bring it into the crease a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to take just the purple. And I am going to put it on the outer edge just to make my eyes pop even a little more. Bring it out a little bit. You can have fun with it. Okay, so next I'm gonna use this really pretty champagne-y pretty color and just put that like on the inner inside. I just like dab that on so the sparkles stay there. And with that Urban Decay stuff, like this eyeshadow will be on all night. This color, and I'm gonna put that on the brow bone. I'm gonna go in with some liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna be using this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is my Ride or Die mascara. It's like my favorite out of any high-end brand or anything like that. I love this mascara. Just, if you find something good and it's not broken, don't fix it. That's not how it goes, but it's close enough. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. There we go. apologize for that. My camera overheated, but I just finished my mascara using that mascara. I did a little bit on the bottom lash, and then I like my top lashes to be the main thing. But like I said, I don't use fake lashes or anything. Number one, they scare me. Number two, don't really know how to use them. Number three, I've had them for dance recitals before, and they make me feel like, I don't know, man, like when you pull them off, all my eyelashes are gonna fall off, and that's just scary. So I'm gonna do my liner now on my lips. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in 04. And then this is the Milani lipstick in, it's backwards anyway, forget it. Naked Matte, 61, Naked Matte. Alright, so natural lip, natural eye, but a little bit of glam. And so next, I'm just going to curl my hair really quick, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, quickly, I just want to run over my outfit really quick before I go. Obviously, you can see I did my hair like big hair, the bigger the better. If you guys want a tutorial on this, let me know. It's super easy. It takes me like 10 minutes, but I definitely like it really big and voluptuous. So my top is just a vintage flannel from the thrift store. My skirt actually is from the thrift store as well. It's like a little vintage Tommy skirt, Tommy Hilfiger. And I'm not sure what shoes I'm gonna wear with it yet, but I'm gonna go to dinner. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe down below if you like this video, want to see more. If you have any suggestions, just let me know, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!